What's up, guys? It's Phone Gamer 5678 here.
You have a camera on your face.
You two looks
Your
like a
face.
GoPro.
It is a GoPro, brother. But let's go now. I'm trying to.
Hold on. There's no one slender. Oh wait. Okay, go.
There's Slender.
Yes.
Wait, don't leave me.
Press this button. That's how you know.
Humans win $2.
Oh, he left.
What is this?
I don't know.
It gave me a fucking commercial.
Heck, bro. I'm still in this.
It gave me a freaking commercial.
Oh God, it's just me and you. You're slender.
I'm not Slender.
Yes, you are.
Okay, I'm gonna get you.
Crap.
Finally. So right now, guys, I'm Slender. If you guys can see, we just.
Ali disconnected.
Who the hell is Ali?
It still says humans win. Go find the page. Achievement unlocked. Staying alive.
I do not know where the fuck he is.
I don't know where I am. I'm just going to the rooms.
Why am I going so slow as
Oh. A player connect. Any pages in this room?
I'm going so fucking slow.
Dang.
Bro! Where the hell are y'all? I can't fucking see anything.
Found a page. There's 2 already.
What the fuck?
I'm going so slow right now.
No, I'm going normal.
Oh. Hi. TS. What?
How about this house?
What happened? I'm gonna get. I'm the only one. They're spectating.
I'm not the only one.
Really? Yeah, I am. The only human.
Okay, bitch, I'm gonna get you so bad.
My ass. Oh!
Who said that?
Oh, I found a page already. For some reason, my screen's. Oh crap! For some reason, my screen still says humans win $2.
Like right now, it's like the boring. If somebody's watching this, I bet it's boring for y'all. Cause like, there's nothing. You can't.
But
find something.
if you watch this at night,
Oh, I see this bitch.
what bitch? Found a page. Hey, that's me.
You're a girl.
I am?
Yeah. I was like, who the fuck is this bitch?
What? That's why? You almost killed me.
Wait, did you see Thunder?
No. My screen got blind.
Where the fuck did you go? I lost you.
I already have 4 pages already. I am cam of security. Bye, guys. Crap.
Oh, I see you.
Shit!
Oh, never mind.
Jorge joined.
Jorge?
Yeah.
It's George.
Oh.
This is fine. It's Jorge. Wait. What the hell? Killer, the fucking bitch.
How many freaking players are?
You're disconnected. It's just me and you.
Really? Oh crap.
Exactly. Round 16, Raccoon. Bro, you're a hoe.
I'm really a girl.
Yeah, you're a bitch. I was like, who the fuck is this bitch? And you said, what bitch? It said Max.
Really?
Yeah, it said Max.
Yeah,
I didn't want to say anything. And then so you, like, when I say, oh, it says Max, so you can get scared. But, like, I wanted to scare you. See if it was you and you screamed. So, like, yes, you. Bro, I can't find you. It's like this amazing here.
I can't find these pages. I already have 4. I'm going to the same place. Yeah, yeah. Like freaking going the same places. Oh wait.
Bathroom?
Yeah. Oh crap! No! 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 Screw that room.
I'm following you.
No! I don't want to see.
Where did you go?
I don't want to see myself die.
Where the hell are you? I keep on losing you. You're in this hallway, right?
What hallway?
Or in the room?
Not in the room.
The hallway.
Not in the hallway.
It's like this gym, right?
No, I'm not in the gym.
Then where the fuck are you?
I'm just going to random places.
Are you in the room or in the hallway?
I'm in a room, I think. Yeah, I'm in a room. Quink.
Queen K, dumbass.
Oh.
I mean, it's Kunk, but it's pronounced like Queen K. Bro, are you fucking...
Bro, when it's gonna take... It still says humans win $2.
Are you recording?
Still, yeah. My front page.
You fucking...
3 more.
I'm trying to fucking find you and you over here like the page like... What the hell? How am I find you?
I am Cam of security. This is no security wrong.
No, not smart manager. No. You typed in another page? Are you fucking...
Wait, that's not me.
Yes, it said...
Oh! I just went into a wall. I didn't even see that page there.
It said maximum page.
Check this thing. Dang it.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Sorry for the person guys this shit. It's so fucking... Are you in this big hallway or...
Yeah, I'm in a bathroom.
There's no fucking bathroom in here.
Yeah? It's a freaking school, I think. Yeah, it's a school.
Yeah, I'm in the school.
I swear if I win.
You ain't gonna win shit. 'Cause I'm coming for your ass.
it close to my ear, and it sounds creepy.
Oh yeah, I hear it.
It turned into not scary.
And watch him say disconnected. Watch. Someone's gonna be disconnected.
And what the heck? Is this still Chinese?
Just not. I don't know if they're gonna be right now, but they're gonna be disconnected because they're spectators. They're haters because they're spectators. Where's your X?
X word.
There's an X. Watch. You see the X?
Oh yeah.
Where's your X?
Oh no.
Yeah, I see you.
No. 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 If you saw me and you attacked me, I'll be dead. I can't believe this is my first time playing, and I can't believe I'm about to get 8 pages.
There's one behind you.
I'm still alive.
I'm right behind you.
No, I'm still alive. I have 0 battery. This game is hacked.
I did it too late. When you turned around, I was supposed to do it, but I did it too late.
Now happened. Nope.
Look at you!
Lock. I can't see
You're
it.
a big booty bitch.
I can't see
Yeah, that's awesome.
Can't read that much. Peace out.